divide 105 by 2. So 105 divided by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 0. So now this 0 is less than 2. So we bring down this number 5 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 2 means 4. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal so that we take here 0. So now it becomes 10. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting it becomes 0. So 105 divided by 2 we got 52 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.